Good afternoon, members,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
welcome school. The school has applied by registration number SS90984234. The school, the girls Gurukul School, Haryana. The school has applied for fresh affiliation to senior secondary level under switchover category. On the various reasons, the case has been rejected by the board. Now, Principal Ma'am is here to represent the case. Principal Ma'am, you are requested to please introduce yourself by showing your I card and from how many years you are associated with this school, ma'am. Please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bhavna Cholia, principal of the Girls Gurukul, Kalayat. This is my ID card, and I am in the school since the beginning of school, since 2021. But I was promoted as principal this year on 1st of April 2023. And with me is Mr. Neeraj Kumar. He's the chairman of the Gurukul Education Society. So we both are
Sorry, ma'am.
representing our school.
Ma'am, in our record, Poonam Sharma ma'am is there as a principal. So
Yes, ma'am. She was our previous principal, actually.
when she has resigned, ma'am.
Her last working day was 31st of March, the end of the session, previous session.
Can you please share the documents?
Yes, ma'am. This is her resignation letter that she wrote to us.
Principal ma'am, if you are having the PDF document, please share the screen so that members can view.
The PDF of the resignation letter.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, also share your appointment letter also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, पहले ये दोनों डॉक्यूमेंट
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen, but I can't see anything. Where is principal ma'am of this Gurukul school? Ma'am, how many you've just joined in April? You had any administrative experience before this?
I was working here in this school and I was learning from the principal who worked here.
But no, but you were learning. But what were you teaching over here? What were you appointed as?
I also worked as vice principal for some time before being promoted as principal.
So the school was founded only in 21. So you worked as you were appointed as vice principal?
No, I was appointed as PGT chemistry first, then I was appointed as vice principal in 2021 after a few months of my job. And then I got promoted as principal this year. So within that time period, I have worked like vice principal for almost 1.5 year.
Okay, and now you've taken over as first from the 1st of April as principal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But you haven't had, and before this, were you working as any administrative job before this?
No, ma'am.
So you joined here as PGT chemistry, and then you've taken over as vice principal, and you've been there as before 1.5 years, and then taken over as principal now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all your papers you have to show us, ma'am? Your appointment, your this thing as vice principal, as well as your appointment as chemistry PGT, as well as principal.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, but is that part of the review? File का है?
Because
No, sir, it's not part of the bill.
but the principal's name who was given was Poonam Sharma. The name of the principal was given as Poonam Sharma.
So can we share it later, ma'am? Because it will be difficult to find the old appointment letters right now. Can we proceed ahead with other things first?
Okay. Ma'am, shall we look at the land certificate now? Monica, ma'am? Please share the
This is the
PDF.
land
PDF issue.
PDF. This is the original certificate.
Okay.
PDF share में दिखा दो.
Yes.
Signed by, and in there was a discrepancy that the name of the lessor was not given in the
Yes, ma'am. It
name
has
of the
been
lessor
changed.
was not
Actually.
mentioned.
Yes, ma'am. The name of the lessor is Sunita. It is written here at first point, and the second is Poonam Sharma.
Poonam Sharma, the principal, was also the lessor.
Submit.
No, ma'am, it is different one.
I can't see that.
PDF में screen zoom करके दिखा दो. दिखाओ.
Sir, आपने
करो बशेर. उसमें भी अपना तो वेबसाइट में. लैंड सेट. होना. आ गया व्हाट्सएप पे. जूम कर दो स्क्रीन को.
हाँ जी. Ma'am, can you see the certificate of land?
No. ठीक है. Just scroll upwards. Scroll upwards. Scroll.
Yes, ma'am.
डेट नहीं डाला है ऊपर. Lesser's details: Sunita, wife of Virendra Kumar, son of Birban, and Poonam Sharma, wife of Neeraj Kumar, son of Premchand. Board number. This is located on the above mentioned land. Okay.
Signed by Tahsildar Kalayat.
The down below.
Imported by Atwari.
Down below. I can't see the signature. Go up.
Up.
Further up.
Yes, ma'am. It ends here.
Signature, I can't see.
Let me.
Signature,
see now?
No, signature Nayab duly registered. Signature. This was done on 8/22. 8/22. Okay, and down below 7/8/2023. Niche, the appendix has been given over here. Sunita, she will. Below, just go up a little bit. This, Monica ma'am, look at that one. 7/8/23 hai.
23.
23 hai.
7/8/23.
Dr. Tyagi, this is this thing. 7/8/2023 hai. Patni Virender. Sunita Patni और पूनम शर्मा पत्नी नीरज कुमार.
मैम ये हल्का पटवारी की रिपोर्ट है, written by हल्का पटवारी. After that, नायब तहसीलदार signed it.
Okay. So that is in 7/8/22 or 23 hai?
23 में.
23.
Okay. 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 This is the land certificate. So name of the lessor is mentioned over there. Okay. Okay. The next one is the building safety certificate.
Let me see.
Building safety certificate.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Can you see?
Zoom it.
Can you see it, ma'am?
No, not as yet. ठीक है. Dated 1/9/2023. Okay, school building certificate for the year provisional. Okay. Block 1 main gate security room reception. Block 2 academic block. The mismatch of number of building blocks of the school. So block 1 is main gate, security, room, reception, etc. Block 2 is academic block. Okay. They only has 2 building blocks. Just go up a little bit, ma'am.
Ma'am, the paper that you have put up in that reply, that is different. And I'm actually reading from that. And the one that you are showing on screen is different.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, actually, जिस टाइम एप्लीकेशन अप्लाई किया गया था उस टाइम 2 बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स हमने काउंट किए थे हमारे. हमने गेट का सेपरेट काउंट करके नहीं लिखा था, हमने उसको इसमें 3 बिल्डिंग नहीं माना था उसको. अच्छा. हाँ, ये सेपरेट इशू करवाया गया मैं सर हमने इसीलिए, क्योंकि फायर सर्टिफिकेट में उन्होंने उसको गेट को सेपरेट बिल्डिंग मान लिया था.
इसमें block 1, block 2 or block 3.
What I'm saying is that the document you are sharing on screen and the document that you have attached in your reply, in your response, they are not, they are different. They are different.
Yeah.
The one that you have filed in your response is this. Okay, okay. ये old one है. No, this is dated 10th August 23, so it cannot be very old. But then even the look and feel is very different. It doesn't look. ये old one दिखा. Just a minute, sir.
This is the new.
Yes, this is the one that we are having. That you have attached with your response. Yes.
Yeah, correct. 10/8, 10/8/2023. And in that also there is, now they have the query that this thing has got is that you have mentioned 3 blocks. Block 1 is main gate security room. Block 2 is academic block. And there is block 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there's a mismatch of number of building blocks of the school. As per application, school has 2 building blocks, whereas now this is the building certificate has been obtained for 3 blocks. This is your building
फायर
certificate.
सर्टिफिकेट में 3 ब्लॉक्स शो कर दिए थे.
ये building safety certificate है and fire safety certificate भी 3 blocks है. तीनों का तो दोनों का तो block 3 blocks है. Am I right?
Yes.
Both fire safety certificate as well as the building safety certificate, you've applied for 3 blocks. So they've said that as per application, school has 2 building blocks. And in the inspection video, we'll have to see this. In the inspection video, are there 3 blocks visible?
Yes. Yes, visible.
And first block is our main gate, security room, first reception. Second is our academic block, and third is our indoor stadium block.
Okay. Dr. Tyagi, now what?
Yes.
Your fire wala says block ABC and your building safety says block 1, 2, 3. So I'm just trying to match which block is A is 1. So G plus 0, 3. So your block A is block 2 and block B is your block 3 and block C is your block 1. Is that right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, correct, absolutely. Because that's a smallest area, 6.16 square meters. So that must be only
the remark by CBSE says only 1 block was seen in inspection video. So have you made a video showing all the 3 blocks now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And have you corrected it? Your building has now 3 blocks. In your application, have you corrected it to 3 blocks?
Yes, sir.
Can you put evidences for the same? Document for the same? And plus then another line says it has also been observed that school has basement also where some of the classes are being run. However, fire safety certificate has not been obtained for basement.
एक्चुअली रीड आउट नहीं किया गया मैम सर. आप अगर आप इसको जूम करके मैम दिखाएं, बेसमेंट फायर सेफ्टी सर्टिफिकेट में शो किया गया था, ये उस टाइम में रीड आउट नहीं कर पाए.
Dr. Tyagi,
they've
given basement level and basement area and remarks nil. Underneath in that fire safety certificate, after the block C, they've given basement level 2.51 square meter, then basement area 1025.95 square meter.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
From the date of issue. When
this
was
is 11th of April.
Okay. 11th of April. So 3 years ke liye. So this is okay. Here, basement level, basement area, and remarks nil. Now, Dr. Tyagi,
Yes.
we'll just ask about the special educator, then we should go for a round and just ask them to show us the block 1, 2, and 3, basement area, and then the chemistry lab, physics lab, library, etc. We have to see that. You got a videographer, right?
Yes.
You got a videographer who will take us around?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mobile.
So, okay, before that, now the Dr. Tyagi, shall we just check their that special educator ka? The link of website is non-functional, that we've seen. Special educator has been appointed by the school.
Yeah, they have attached some documents of appointment letter. They have attached of one Miss Monica.
Appointment letter of
Appointment letter and the documents of Miss Monica have been attached.
Yes.
Just read the first line. She is appointed purely on temporary basis. Is that all right?
Yes. Why is it on temporary basis? Is she on contract?
So purely on temporary basis. That's what your line says.
Yes, ma'am.
Question period के बाद confirmation.
उसका मतलब क्या होता है?
Ma'am, she will be probation period के बाद उनका confirmation होगा.
Ma'am, she has only done her okay, she's done her multiple days. How long is your probation period?
March
March 2023. 24.
for the session.
For this session.
Okay, her PDF में upload कर दीजिए ये सब certificates also and a date of appointment. There's no appointment letter in that.
Yes.
So you only said temporary, and please this thing over there. Please upload that. Okay. Dr. Tyagi, they've asked for the EPF facility is not available. Now they've attached the documents for the EPF.
Yes.
How much of staff, Bhavna Chole? Ma'am, you're still mentioned in the salary sheet. You've got Poonam Sharma ma'am as a principal and Bhavna Cholia as a PGT chemistry. I mean, shouldn't it have been updated? This is August 2023. You were appointed on the 1st of April. Shouldn't have been shouldn't it have been rectified? Because it's still showing PGT chemistry in August. You have been appointed on the 1st of April.
We will update it now.
Ma'am, I cannot take this up unless it is changed.
I think it's. Give me 1 minute, ma'am.
But this is the salary sheet. How is it related to your EPF?
This is going into the bank.
Because the 12% wala column is left blank. And your total EPF contributed is 3552.
At the last page, it is given only for these men. For 5 of them.
Yes.
3552.
Yes. So that's only for clerk, peon, sweeper, and security guard.
5 of them.
Yes.
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 Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
For the staff, it's showing 0. And the same number is matching with your ECR 3552. The 3552 covers only 5 people. One is clerk, one is peon, 2 sweepers, and 1 security guard.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, given payment confirmation receipt is only for total
So
members. It's
the
5.
line, so the CBSE remark was that EPF facility is not available for the staff of the school. That still stands.
Yeah, it's only available for the support staff.
Yes.
स्टार्ट करती थी नहीं
नहीं है स्टाफ का तो आपका ही डॉक्यूमेंट कह रहा है 0 है आपकी सैलरी शीट ही कह रही है कि वो 0 है
Not available for the staff other than the support staff. Okay. Can we take the video and see this?
You mean to say let's move on to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11?
This we haven't seen the CWSN.
Okay, it starts from point number 7, chemistry lab, then physics lab, bio lab, library, and then CWSN toilets.
Library, yes, because we need to see that also before. And ma'am, one thing, if we go to the library where it appears to be understocked, will I be able to see the bills in the library for the number of books that you bought, increase in books?
Yes.
We'll be able to see the bills there, or will it be available here only? Okay, take care. Can you, where do you want us to go now? The CWSN facility should be available on each floor. Have you got that CWSN facility on each floor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Shall we go sequence wise? We are
Yeah,
at point number
yeah.
7 now, so let's go to chemistry lab first.
Okay, take care. Let's go to chemistry lab first. Take us there, ma'am.
Sorry, Babas, can we ask the school to go to the main gate for the confirmation of the school?
Okay. Okay.
Can we see the signboard?
Yes. Let's go outside. Main gate, the signage, the walls, height of the walls, the road leading from the outside to the.
Yes, ma'am.
Please hold your device from the back side so that we can have the front
We
look
should
of
see the
infrastructure.
building,
Then
not
I
the
will have to
first.
join from other device. Actually, I'm holding the laptop. I will have to join from the other device then.
Yes.
You can
Can
send
I
us
do
a
that
request,
now?
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
If the society member wants to stay in the control room, they can.
We just need to go around and see all these.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to add the device over here so that we can.
See the.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Just wait a minute.
Please send the request, then move, please.
Yes, ma'am.
It's according to sequence, I can't find that. Where is the list discrepancy? Where is I only got sequence. It's not according to sequence. Yeah, correct. Is it? So So we've seen the name of the lesson, buildings further to it, mismatch, link of website, special educator in chemistry lab, then physics lab, biology lab, library, CWS. Take care.
Principal ma'am, we have added the another device, the girls Gurukul school. Bhavna ma'am,
Okay, now she's showing us. Oh, take care. Take care. Okay.
you can keep the laptop in your room, ma'am. Please show
Bhavna
us
ma'am is
the.
asking you to keep the laptop in your room. Okay. Okay, great.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, you can use one device for the virtual tour, ma'am. Don't move both the devices.
We just need
Okay,
to see
should I
the,
cancel the other meeting then?
No, no. So you
You
send that device to the room where
Your-
you were seated, and the gentleman can remain there. And in case some document is to be shown, they can show it from there. In the
Okay.
meantime, with the another device that you are holding, you can take us around.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
You send this
So the
back.
other person will take this phone. He will show you the main gate. He will show you the main gate. He will
No,
show you
that
the
whatever we can see already. Outside the gate, so we can see the
ma'am,
board.
who will hold the camera, ma'am? Bhavna ma'am?
Outside.
Outside is the
Yeah. From outside the road, show us a gate with the name of the school.
This is the front
Okay.
gate of our school, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Girls Gurukul.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go in, ma'am. Let me see the wall. Let me see the wall.
Please show the approaching road as well.
Road.
Yes.
Main road. She wants
Approaching road.
main road. Not inside, outside. Outside road.
Outside.
Outside road. Outside road. Approach road.
सर
Approach.
लेफ्ट और राइट साइड दिखा दीजिए स्कूल की अप्रोचिंग रोड जहाँ से बच्चे
Wait,
एंटर
ma'am.
करते हैं सर.
Wait, ma'am. This is the road.
सर
This is the entry. Road means yeah, to the left and to the right.
Just show us the left side so we can see the walls also and the road. अंदर नहीं जाना, बाहर से ही दिखा दीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. Karan.
फोन कनेक्ट करो.
उधर उस साइड से दिखा दीजिए, राइट साइड से. Okay. Just show
भावना
us
मैम प्लीज गाइड.
right side.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Not inside, outside. Okay, here's the road.
तो रोड दिखाने के लिए बोला है उन्होंने, लेफ्ट साइड से भी और राइट साइड से भी.
Okay.
Hmm.
ये wall है, wall is going to this thing. Okay. 7-foot wall होगा. Okay, ठीक है. We'll go inside now. Okay.
So please enter the building.
We can go inside now. This is block 1 because this is the security guard,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Block
The
1
security-
or block C, because two
Block
documents
C.
have two different names. This is
So
block
this
1
is
or
block
block C.
C. Okay. Okay. Go into your. This is your academic block.
Yes.
this is block 2, or
Block.
here it is block A.
Block A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now show us a block. What is this you're going to? Where?
Ma'am, ask them to show the front of this block.
This is the block. This is a 1,
Yes,
2,
ma'am.
3-story building and a basement.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 3+3.
3-story block. Ground plus 3 floors. Okay.
Shall we show the third block also? This is our third block actually.
This is your third block. That is an indoor stadium.
ma'am.
That is your physical education,
ma'am.
etc. And washroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Washroom plus a first floor. Okay, this is the.
That is our academic block.
Okay. Okay. And
And
the third
the
block?
side, at the
This
side
is
you can see the third block.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है.
The third block properly दिखाइए एक बार.
हाँ.
हाँ जी, जोर से.
इसमें आपने लिखा है अच्छा अंदर. Okay.
This is the indoor stadium.
Okay.
Please exit.
Okay. इसमें वॉशरूम है? इसमें वॉशरूम है?
Please show the washrooms. Yes, ma'am. Towards exit. Ma'am, these are the washrooms.
This is a girls' school,
The
right?
entry.
Okay. Can you go,
Yes,
go
ma'am, only
inside
for
over there?
girls.
Can we go inside? Can we just see the CWS and is there a toilet for CWS?
Please show the CWSN toilet.
अंदर
सीधे था सर,
अच्छा
अंदर.
अच्छा अंदर CWS toilet है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this. Okay, just show that properly. Show that properly. अच्छा ये.
स्कूल से रिक्वेस्ट है जितना भी आप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
जी.
दिखा रहे हैं आप ग्राउंड भी दिखाएंगे कि लेवल्ड है या CWSN का प्रोविजन रखा हुआ है या नहीं. प्लीज फ्लोर भी दिखाइए.
Level.
ये बाहर से वो
Entrance
बोर्ड
दिखाइए
दिखा
सर.
दो ना. Entrance में वो
पहले
बोर्ड
साइनेज
दिखा है.
कवर करवाइए.
ये साइनेज show the sign. बाहर अंदर आप गए थे ना, ये वॉशरूम है, अंदर CWSN का बोर्ड लगा हुआ है ना, वो दिखा दीजिए भी.
हाँ, पहले बोर्ड दिखाइए सर.
स्लोली जाइए.
आराम से.
हाँ ये अब एक मिनट वो बोर्ड तो दिखाइए ना.
हाँ, थोड़ा जूम कर दीजिए.
Basement floor toilet CWSN. Now take us inside.
अब अंदर का टॉयलेट का पोर्शन.
नीचे
उसी
ground.
उसी के
फ्लोर
अंदर
भी दिखाना है साथ में.
ये वाला CWSN थोड़ा नीचे कीजिए. Let me see the इसी में दिखाइए.
सर फ्लोर दिखाइए सर.
Ground
Ground
floor
floor.
देखना है.
Floor नीचे flooring. और
Okay.
उसकी entry.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, rails up there. Okay.
Bhavna ma'am, please ask your camera person to show all the provision of CWSN while entering the washroom, ma'am.
Since you're going out, show us the other toilets also. एक दो और toilet दिखा दीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. We will show you the another toilets है. सर ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर आ जाइए इधर वापस. यहाँ वाला CWSN दिखा दीजिए. हाँ जी.
सीधा रखने से ना लैंडस्केप वाला ना.
प्रिंसिपल मैम आप सुन रहे हैं? भावना मैम.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मैम प्लीज
Show
आप.
them the ramp. Yes, ma'am.
भावना मैम आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you. Can you hear me?
मैम प्लीज सुनिए. जो भी आप कवर करवा रहे हैं पहले आप साइन दिखाएंगे किसी भी रूम का या किसी भी लैब का. फिर आप उसका फ्लोर दिखाएंगे. क्या उसमें स्टेयर्स हैं या एक स्टेप है? आपने क्या प्रोविजन किया हुआ? रैंप है या अवेलेबल नहीं है? आप प्लीज ठीक से कवर करवाइए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्योंकि मैम इसी पे बेस्ड होगा आपका रिकमेंडेशन. Please understand.
Go slowly. Show each sign before you enter any. If you're showing the toilet, पहले वो sign दिखाइए, उसके बाद अंदर ले जाइए. Okay? Signage has to be shown and then we can go inside. Show the sign.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Washroom, ground floor. Okay. CWSN का है. Okay, ground floor toilet. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, to come to this ground floor toilet from the class, there's a ramp or it's just a smooth corridor?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a one level only. Okay. One level?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's all on
Yes,
one level.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a lift?
Yes, we have list.
Okay. Okay. So ground floor we've seen and the outside one. Now we're going up to the first floor. Where are your labs? We're going to see all the toilets. साथ में Mr. Dr. Tyagi.
Start showing the lab.
ये क्या है? इधर क्या? Chemistry lab. ये chemistry lab दिखा दीजिए. Under stock.
Please show the sign of the lab first.
Show the sign of the lab first. Show the sign of the lab first. Chemistry lab पहले दिखा दिया. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
अंदर. Okay. अंदर. अंदर. अभी अंदर जाइए.
The lady is speaking, but then that device is on mute.
Sound. Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Mute.
This is condenser which
Yes,
is used
ma'am.
in the titration. These are the measuring cylinders. And this is tracker stand. These are the measuring separation funnels, separation flasks. These are harmonic flasks and page paper. These are the tracker stand with separating funnel which we use for the separation of immiscible liquids like water and oil. And this china dish. Again, this is also the titration flask, measuring flask, and this is melting point apparatus. And these are the capillaries.
Okay.
Can you show some of the consumables also?
Yeah.
Some chemicals that you have bought?
Where are the
Yes,
chemicals? Where is your storage facility?
Show the chemicals.
It's
Yes,
not
these are the
locked.
chemicals.
It's
These
not
are the
under
chemicals.
lock. It's not a closed cupboard.
These are the closed cupboards in which we put
Locked.
these
Open it, ma'am.
chemicals.
Open it. Open it.
Okay, these are the chemicals. Okay, like bromine water, boric acid, benzoic acid, ethanol. Okay, these are the burners. Okay, with gas.
Can we see the exhaust fan?
This is the
Yes. Ma'am, show the exhaust fan.
exhaust fan. We have two exhaust fans in our kitchen. That are things and all are in working. The burette stand with burette for the titration experiment. These are the burette tested stands. These are pressure solutions.
Where is the seating arrangement for the children? Any stools or anything? Acha, okay.
Ma'am, show the stools.
Ma'am, this chemistry lab is for classes 9, 10, 11 and 12.
Yes, ma'am, this is for 9 to plus 2. Also, 6 to 8 students are also doing some experiment like fermentation experiment in 8th class. We also bring these students here.
How many children are there in class 9?
Ma'am, 25 students.
Okay, so you have only one section?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have one section.
In class 10 also?
Yes, ma'am. All
Yes, ma'am.
classes
Each
have only one
class
section.
has
One section. So,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Speakers, and we have almost all chemicals that are required for 90 plus experiments, saline solution, formaldehyde, ferrous sulfate, all things like these are the acid solution that we prepared.
Okay, but
All
ma'am, this
having
all should be locked. It should be under, closed cupboard. Anyway, no curtains. You removed the curtains and you've got blinds over there now, no? You removed the curtains?
this
Have
no
you got?
curtain in lab.
Yes, ma'am. We have
Okay,
removed
there are
the
no
curtains.
curtains. Okay,
Yes.
remove the.
Curtains and exhaust fan both have been both the deficiencies have been removed.
Okay, and it was understocked also, and no seating arrangements.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we go to the physics lab, please?
Yes, ma'am. Please take them to physics lab. So take them to physics lab first.
Physics lab. Okay, okay. Seating arrangement. Okay. Inside.
Welcome to Physics Lab. Good afternoon. Myself, Identity Physics.
Nice to
These
meet
are
you.
these are the instruments of electronics. This one is LDR circuit, transistor circuit, calorimeter, and these are the ammeter, galvanometer, voltmeter. We can measure the current using the galvanometer and ammeter. We can measure the potentiometer using the voltmeter. Now we can show the other experiment related to the this one, pendulum generator works on the static electrostatic principle, and this is the pendulum. We can explain the periodic motion using this. These are the gold-leaf electroscope. Using this experiment, we can measure the polarity. We can detect the polarity of the charged particle, and this gold-leaf electroscope made by the students. These are the copper calorimeters. Using this device, we can explain the physical changes and chemical changes. This instrument made up of a copper because copper is a good instrument, good conductor of heat. These are the voltmeter, galvanometer, and ammeter. And these are the resistance boxes. This is the setup of galvanometer, conversion of galvanometer into a voltmeter. How we can convert the galvanometer into a voltmeter. And this is the setup of finding the resistance of a unknown resistance of a wire using a meter base. And this is the rheostat. Rheostat means variable resistance. This one PN junction circuit and Zener diode. Diode is that circuit in which the current flow only in one direction. It's the transistor circuit, Zener diode, LDR circuit. LDR circuit works on the principle of resistance. Using LDR circuit, we can detect the sense of presence of the and absence of the light. LDR circuit used in the daily life in street lights, clock alarms. Now, these two are basic logic gates. Basic logic gates are used in daily life in burglar alarm. Now, we do the working state. This is the setup of galvanometer, conversion of galvanometer into the emitter. And these are the traveling microscope. Using traveling microscope is an instrument. With the help of this instrument, we can measure the length with a revolution typically in the order of 0.01 mm.
Okay.
Now,
So you've
this
seen the
some
workstation.
experiment.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So you've seen the workstation. This is where the children all this thing, and there's enough of seating. Exhaust fan here. Now seating
Yes,
is
yes.
there.
Show the
Exhaust fan. Curtains है, ठीक है, that can be ठीक है. Okay. Okay. So can we go to the bio lab now? May we go to the bio lab, ma'am, please? The bio
Actually,
lab?
we have, first, we should see maths lab because we have
Okay,
mathematics lab.
okay, fine. Let's see the maths lab.
Okay,
Okay, let's see the maths. Wait. Maths lab. Sign it, dikha do. Okay, take us inside.
Welcome to Math Lab. With charts made by students on math day and math exhibitions. This board to elaborate any shape, any question, any calculation work for students and come inside. This is a model for Pythagoras theorem, how it creates, how it is used with the help of squares. This is a model of angles with the help of parallel lines. This is transversal and these are parallel. This is number chart. For a 6 to 8 student, we can use this to elaborate the types of numbers. These are geometrical shapes with properties inside these figures. These are surface area and volume of 2D and 3D figures. This project is about exterior angle property, in which exterior angle is equal to opposite angle, sum of opposite angles. This is again a model of Pythagoras theorem made by students on math day. This is a chart of polynomial which is used in 8th, 9th, and 10th class. This is beneficial for all these classes. This chart is again for number system, in which we have different type of numbers, and the definition is on the inner part. Here we explain a circle in concept of triangle, by which the student connect a circular shape with a 2D shape of rectangle and triangle. This is identity circle, in which we rotate the circle. We got the identity of a square minus b square. Again, a plus b plus c square is equal to this. X plus a and x plus b equal to this. And we rotate. These identities are used in 8th and 9th class.
Ma'am, have you got any other objects to explain? Any other? Because when we are trying to say that they're under stock, there's only charts, etc., that are available. Have you got any other? Okay. You got the job. Okay.
These are geometry tools.
Okay.
These are compass.
Shall we move to bio lab now?
Okay, ma'am, thank you very much. Let us go to the bio lab now. Okay, thank you. Bio lab. Okay. The bio lab now. Okay, biology. Okay.
Which floor are we on? Now, first floor?
Second.
No,
Which
should
floor
be
are we on?
First,
Good
first,
first floor. Can we see the CWS and toilet on this floor?
1 minute, Ji.
Can we see the CWS and toilet on this floor?
This is where on the. Okay, first floor toilet. Okay. First floor toilet, CWS. Okay.
Okay. Shall we go back to the bio lab now?
Yes, let's go to the biology. Yes.
My name is Govind Singh and I'm PGD Biology here. This is our biology lab. here we have all the with them. We also have all these 3D models and charts of all the human physiology and plant physiology. Along with that, we have all the microscopes. We have a special binocular microscope which have inbuilt light and binocular view. Here we have along with them we have these simple kind of compound microscopes. Along with them we have all the prominent science which are needed for the curriculum of CBSE for class 11 and 12. Additionally, we have a multimedia screen for the different illustrations in biology, which are not available in the lab. We have the skeleton, human skeletal system, along with the chart.
Okay, thank you. Can we go to the library, Ji? Is the library on the same floor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Yes,
next
can
to
we
the
see
biology lab.
Okay, can we see the library, please? Thank you very much.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, like that.
Is there a separate reading place for the teachers? Is there a
Yes.
separate reading place for the teachers? Okay, staff section. Okay. This is for the children. Okay. Can we speak to the librarian for 2 minutes? Good afternoon, ma'am. Okay. How many books do you have in the good afternoon? How many books do you have in the library? How many books do you have?
35.
How much?
235.
1,235. Are these all reference books or textbooks or any fiction? What kind of books are they?
Fiction book, ma'am, 19 है.
Old. 19.
Yes, ma'am.
We added
और हिंदी
हिंदी फिक्शन में मैडम 19 है. फिक्शन तो और मैगजीन्स भी 19 है.
अच्छा.
we have
कौन
recently
सा
added
ये?
fiction books.
How many books did you add?
Can we see the reference section? Some of the books can we see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, show the fiction section, complete fiction section.
Okay, here,
And
let us
reference
see.
fiction.
It's showing what is it? Fiction. This is.
Yes. Show it there.
Okay. School dictionary you put in fiction. Miscellaneous. Okay. Reference.
Show the tags first.
Then other than fiction, other
Reference books. Here's the reference books. Okay. Science. Hindi. Okay. How many? Who goes and selects the books, ma'am? Who selects and purchases the books? Who
By the
purchases?
recommendation of teacher.
टीचर्स के लिए ये रहे।
Have you got your accession register? Accession register hai?
Yes.
Accession register.
Show them the accession register.
Can you show how many books have been issued by the students in the past, say, 1 month?
Issue register. Have to bring it closer. This is various classes. You have separate register for class, different classes. Which classes can take books? Can issue books? कौन से classes issue कर सकते हैं किताबें?
6th to 12th मैम।
6th to 12th. तो ये क्लास 12 बुक्स 12 की स्टूडेंट्स क्या रेफरेंस बुक्स ही इशू करते हैं?
नहीं मैम, ऑल टर्म सभी तरह की बुक होती है मैडम जी, एनसीईआरटी भी और रेफरेंस बुक।
Anything else, Dr. Tyagi? ठीक है।
Things should be okay.
Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है. So we've covered everything, I think.
Yes.
Oh, shall we? Tell me on the second floor, what do you have on the second floor? You have classrooms on the second floor?
The second floor.
What do you have on the second floor? क्या है?
Ma'am, actually our school is boarding school. We have hostel on the second floor.
Oh, okay. So how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
children are there in the school? How many children are there in the school?
Around 200, ma'am. 250 total students.
250. Oh, and all of them are boarders or some are day scholars?
No, ma'am. All of them are not boarders. Some are day scholars. Both boarding and day boarding facilities we have.
Okay. So average, how
Yes,
many boarders do you have?
So we have, ma'am, we have around 80 boarders.
Okay.
And the rest of the students are day. Yes, ma'am.
Day scholar. So okay, then upstairs must be the boarding school. Boarding. Is it
Yes,
on
ma'am. We have
that we don't have to see, Dr. Tyagi. Do we have to see that?
Actually, that's not in the review.
That's
So,
right.
and
So we
but
don't
there,
have
but
to-
there is
Not in the
so we will not get into that part. Otherwise, there is
Yeah,
a
we won't.
separate
We have-
standards for hostels.
Yeah, that we're not connected to. Now, I think whatever was our discrepancy, we have already
Mentioned
seen.
in, yes,
Is there
yes.
anything else left out? Nothing. Okay, okay. Monica, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we've covered all the points that they have had problems with. Okay, so now can we go? What else do you want to for us to check out?
Please have a look on the IC report as well.
Well, we have
IC
seen that
report
IC
which
rejection letter. We have seen it point wise. We have seen, and other than point number 6, EPF document. Other than that, we have found everything to be in order.
In order, exactly.
Please have a look on the IC report. If there is any incorrect value or the suggestion is given by the IC member, you can cover
we've
and
got
take the
for-
comments from the school so that you will be able to fill the
EPF,
report, ma'am.
no, that's why we'll fill the report in after this. But I just want to know, EPF, they've said that they've got for the support staff, that is for the 5 people. Okay, that is because Mr. Neeraj is there. Your EPF.
No, ma'am. He's coming.
I think that we can put up in the report.
Okay, that's
Whatever they had to show, they have shown.
They've shown us.
Yes,
So,
you can submit your comments, sir.
We'll submit our comments, and Dr. Tyagi and I will just talk about it.
So,
Now, can we?
Monica ma'am, can we bring it to a close? because
Yeah.
point we
Yes,
have
sir.
gone through. We have
And
gone through all of
if you permit the school for re-uploading,
Yes, ma'am.
you can give the permission so that I can
So
convey few things to the
what they
school.
can do is, one is the blocks in the fire and the building safety. In one they have named it as block 1, 2, 3. In another one they have named it as ABC. And hard luckily one is not A, 2 is not B. It's little bit mixed up. So,
PAB.
but then we have seen all the three blocks. So
And
what
the-
they need to do is they need to correct that. Initially they applied for, they said they mentioned one block, but they should have mentioned three blocks. And both their documents, fire and building safety, both have three blocks mentioned in it.
Yeah,
So from my side, I'm satisfied, quite satisfied with it, that other than EPF, everything else seems to be in order from my side. So if you
Yes.
want, you can close the inspection video now, and we will upload the report.
So
Yes.
before ending, you have to give the permission if you
They
want to
want to
give the
upload
permission
the
for re-upload. You have to give the
What
permission from upload section, sir. Please go to IC report and
uh,
give the permission to the school, sir.
IC report, where would that be?
Sir, from the same credential, whatever you have shared from the board, sir.
Okay. So there is this full fill review committee report. Should
Yes,
we go
yes, sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In
Okay.
upload documents, on the bottom of the page, there is an option. Please permit the school for re-uploading.
Let him do it. Re-upload. He's doing it. He's doing it. Dr. Tyagi is doing
Just a second. Just a second. Again, it has brought back to fill review committee report. Okay. So just a second. Name of the school. Okay, so KYC part A, upload documents. So ma'am, on the left there is a whole set. So what do you want? KYC, should I say
Sir,
save and
go to upload documents on the bottom of the page.
upload documents? Okay.
So there is an option for allow to re-upload.
I'm not able to see where is that, because upload document, when I'm clicking on upload document, that again opens up the same document. So I think I have to do save and next. I have to do that, save and next.
Check. He's just checking from the thing.
Yes, it is checking one by one, like KYC details, it has checked.
Sir, in upload document on the bottom of the page, sir, there is an option available.
Now it has come. Like after twice doing that, there it says reload document. So this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Land certificate is okay. Fire safety is okay.
Only you have to click and you have to permit, sir. Otherwise, you can fill it later on. The whole report you can fill it later.
So which
Because
document? Which
sir,
document
for the
should I see?
permission on the bottom of the page, ma'am, you can give the permission if you are.
Yes, there it says to give an opportunity to school to upload the document in clear, legible format. Click allow re-upload.
Yes, sir.
But then which document? Out of these, say the documents that they have attached with their reply, they are okay. Other than say some mismatch, but it's okay.
Sir, if they have procured some documents after the rejection, they can upload, and for the library, they can upload the bills and all.
Okay. So shall I just put there allow re-upload?
Yes, allow re-upload.
Okay. School allowed successfully to re-upload the documents. Now, is that okay?
Yeah.
Should I move on?
Grant permission.
Yeah, thank you so much. Principal ma'am, I hope you have noted all the documents, but you have to re-upload in the upload section. Or otherwise, if you are having any doubt, you can ask the member right away.
All the
मैम, एक
documents
question
you have
था
to.
ईपीएफ के बारे में था क्वेश्चन मैम।
हाँ जी
15,000 से बिलो सैलरी में तो कंपल्सन ईपीएफ की है। 15,000 से अबव जिनकी सैलरी है वो कंसेंट से ईपीएफ की डिडक्शन होती है, ऐसा हमें जानकारी मिली थी। और टीचर्स इसके लिए विलिंग नहीं है।
Yeah.
उस सिचुएशन में
EPF
क्या
is-
करें?
ठीक है, EPF is for all those below the salary of 15,000. Above that, the
Yes.
EPF is not going to be some employees provident.
हाँ, कंपल्सन नहीं है वो।
Sir,
Oh,
we
so
have
you're
to
not giving
file
any
we
provident
have to only file a report. You can submit
we
your
have
answer
only
to
filed a
CBSE.
Fine.
So whatever points were given to
उनका
us, we
सबका
have
हमने-
to that you can give to the, because
Yeah.
it is up to the CBSE.
Absolutely. So now we finished with it. Now we'll file our report.
I want to
Okay.
give some instruction to the school, ma'am. Please wait.
Give them.
Yeah,
Give them.
please.
Please give them.
School is requested to please upload all the document in their respective slot. If you don't have any respective slot, you can upload by making a single PDF in self-certification slot. And you are also requested to please do not remove the earlier uploaded documents, or otherwise, if you have any technical issue, you can call me up. Thank you so much for joining, sir. And you are
ये
also requested to
document
please
कब तक
do not
upload
remove
करने
the
हैं?
earlier uploaded documents. Only upload the documents, whatever the RC asked for.
Okay.
Uh,
Whatever
Dr. Sharma,
documents
ma'am,
you
ये
need
upload-
to upload, you upload. Don't remove anything.
Ma'am, there is
When we
one
have to
on
upload the
one this upload photo and video page. It's saying the virtual meeting has to be conducted as per chapter number 7 of affiliation manual, and there is a box to be filled. What is to be filled up there?
Now the report.
So this is a you have to paste the recorded video link with which I will be providing to you through
Okay.
email.
Okay.
You
okay.
have to enter in this slot, sir.
Okay.
And for school, please ensure before submitting the final application that all the documents should be uploaded on Cirrus, because no further correspondence will be done in this regard, sir,
Okay.
as this is a final opportunity given by the
That's the
CBSE.
school. That's just.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Now-
one question. We have to upload the documents only asked by the RC.
Yes, whatever you have procured
Yes or
after
no,
your
ma'am?
rejection, you can upload, and whatever RC members ask for, you can upload all the documents in the upload section. Part A upload section. In re-upload documents,
So
you are
we
also
have to
requested to
wait
please
till-
do not remove the earlier uploaded documents, please.
Yes, ma'am. So how much we will have to wait for the RC to answer us?
So we are not going to answer. We are submitting our own report. You upload your documents.
You will get all the update on the Cirrus progress panel as soon as the RC member will submit the report. You will be able to see on the Cirrus progress panel, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
For any technical assistance, you can call me up if there will be any technical if occurs.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
School can leave the meeting. Thank you so much for joining.
School can leave the meeting. Okay. Dr. Tyagi,
Yes.
now we need to fill it in.
Mm-hmm.
Dr. Tyagi, we need to fill in that report.
Yes.
Okay. So then what do we have to write in the report? That
Right now, though, I have opened up that Saras link that I have opened up. And I am stuck at this page, virtual meeting link. I think I have to paste that. So which ma'am will be sharing with us now in an email. So it's actually, if you click on it, if you click on that page, that fill review committee report. So it's page after page comes. You have to save and next. Save and next. There is a button at the end. You have to click
over there. That's what my office people are doing over there. And now they've reached the part where we have to do the recommendation.
No, I haven't reached there. Before that, there is a page which says that the recording link has to be pasted. So I think something your team has pasted there. This was supposed to be of this meeting, that a link was to be given, and this link is yet not with us.
But Monica ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Still the recording is on, ma'am. If you
Unless this meeting closes, she will not be able to share us the recording link, and you will not be able to move ahead. So I think your team has put up some different link, something they have put up in that box.
Okay. So Monica, are we going to close it and you're going to share the recording link with us?
Shall I stop the recording, ma'am?
Yes, please.